Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick, flavorful and colorful beef and bell pepper stir fry. It's super easy, trust me, you're going to love it. It comes together in no time. So let's dive right in. Alright, so I've already prepped all the ingredients to save us some time. Here are what we need for this recipe. I have some beef which I've washed thoroughly and sliced them. I have some rice vinegar, oyster sauce, soya sauce. I have my bell peppers and onion. I also have some cornstarch, 4 cloves of garlic, and baking soda. So to marinate the beef, I'm going to go ahead to add in some soya sauce, oyster sauce, cornstarch, baking soda, some chili powder. That's totally optional if you don't like spice. Then I went ahead to add in some homemade seasoning. Okay, so you can add in any seasoning of choice or whatever you have available. We'll go ahead to mix everything together. Once everything comes together, I'll add in some oil, then mix it really well. So the oil is going to keep the beef tender and juicy. Once everything is well mixed, I'll go ahead to set it aside and let it marinate while we move on to the next step. Now for the sauce, I have half cup of water, some soya sauce, oyster sauce, cornstarch, and chili powder. We'll go ahead to mix everything together. This is going to give our stir fry that delicious glossy finish, okay? Over a medium heat, I'm going to add in some coconut oil to my pan. Once the oil is hot enough, we'll go in with my sliced bell peppers and onions. We'll saute them for a few minutes to get rid of that raw texture. And to season it, I'm going to add in a little bit of sugar and salt to bring out that natural sweetness. When the veggies are slightly tender but still vibrant, we'll remove them from the pan and set them aside. Alright, now in the same pan, I'm going to add in our marinated beef, okay? We'll allow it to cook until they are almost done. Once the beef starts to stick to the pan, we'll add in just a little more oil to it. Now at this point, I'll go ahead to crush in my cloves of garlic, then mix everything together. The aroma right here is so amazing. Next, I'll go ahead to add in some rice vinegar and give it a good stir. This adds that perfect tanginess. Then I'm going to add in the sauteing veggies and pour in our sauce mixture. We'll give everything a good mix so the beef and veggies are well coated in that rich and glossy sauce. Let it simmer for just another minute or two. Then that is it, guys. The beef and bell pepper stir fry is ready. You can enjoy this with your steamed rice, noodles, or on its own. It's so delicious. Trust me, you and your family are going to love it. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your bell notification so you never miss out on any of my new recipes. Until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.